Hello everyone. Today we have a special treat in store. We're diving into the world of cookies. However, this isn't an ordinary cookie. It's attractive with its unique imperfection. Some cracks here, some bits of chocolates here, and a crispy bite is waiting for you. But this cookie stands out in a different way. Let's take a closer look. Introducing the Laowa Cookie10mm lens. It's a petite lens designed to fit numerous APS-C size cameras. However, there is a 50mm full-frame cookie baking in the oven. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might already be ready to feast upon. Personally, I use the cookie with my Fujifilm cameras and a cup of coffee. But it's available for Canon RF, Nikon Z, Sony E, and L mount as well. The cookie is a 10mm rectilinear. Did I get that right? Rectilinear lens. That means that the lens produces practically straight lines, eliminating the fisheye effect that we see in some other wide-angle lenses. This feature is fantastic for shooting interiors, architecture, or anything that requires straight lines. Keeping your camera straight, and you have straight lines in your images. However, tilting or shifting your cameras will introduce converging or diverging lines, offering some creative perspectives. I've used this lens in various situations, from nature shots to street photography. For those deeply invested in nature photography, there are certain trade-offs. With this lens, due to its compact size, it might not deliver the utmost details at the edge of the image. Sharpness may not be on par with some larger, more expensive lenses. Still, the center sharpness remains good. Some vignetting is evident, but that's a trait common to most lenses of this size. The lens maximum aperture is f4, going down to f22. I often use it around f8 or 5.6, which seems to be the sweet spot. I'm also a fan of zone focus. By setting it to infinity at f8, everything from 30 centimeters to infinity remains in focus. This feature is amazing for street photography, allowing for instant shot without the need to focus. However, due to its wide-angle nature, you need to get incredibly close if you want your subject to fill the frame. It requires a level of boldness, especially in street photography, where capturing candid moments demands you to throw the camera literally up in the face of your subject. Yet, this closeness yields a truly special perspective to your photographs. For everyday use, like outings with family, it's fantastic. Selfies, even better. And if vlogging is your thing, well, you're definitely gonna fit in the frame. Laowa Cookie lens offers a compact solution for vlogging with a broad field of view. While I'm no vlogger, I am using it for like architecture, a little bit of architecture, and a lot of street photography, which is my main thing. A minor gripe some users have is that when attaching or detaching the lens, they may change the focus or aperture by mistake. But let's be real here. It's a compact lens, and this is a non-existing problem. Another standout feature worth noting is its close focus capability, going down to just 10 centimeters. This allows for interesting play with foreground and background elements, even with such a wide field of view. Overall, this lens has been a joy to use. I mainly pair it with my XE3, occasionally using it with the XT3 and XT5. But in my opinion, it truly shines on a smaller camera body. If we're gonna sum this up, I think it's a fun lens to have. It's a fun lens to use. a really tiny and convenient lens to just have on your camera and just pull that camera up in the face of people when they are not ready, and get that very unique street photography style that you don't see many people doing nowadays. Or just having it around, shooting when stuff's that's going on in your everyday life and things like that. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more content when I'm eating cookies and talking about cookies, you could click here to see a full playlist about cookies. And if you want cookies, you could click here and you will get a lot of cookies. Matter of fact, if you subscribe to my channel, you will get cookies forever. And every week I release a new cookie, so you could come back here and you could watch cookies. Thanks for watching. Now I'm gonna enjoy the cookies.